Hi guys, today I was flying my DJI Mavic AS drone and I was making a quick circle using the quick short circle mode on the DJI app. It was doing perfectly fine. I think I miscalculated the height of the trees. It was around 30 meters high. I thought these trees are shorter than that. Believe it or not, it got struck here guys. And the trees were so giant. It was like almost like 30-35 meters. And I tried to track here. You can see the light there, red and green. Yeah, it was on the top of the tree guys. It was struck on the tree. And I really was like, I didn't know what to do. They were so tall. I thought like my drone is gone. And there were no options to retrieve that back because I really didn't know like whom to contact and who can help in getting that down. This guy came like a god and helped me today, guys.
Salgo toda peja, dije yo. Este va a estar llorando ya si no llego ya.
No, hombre, si trabajando estoy yo, perro.
¿Qué estás haciendo?
Mira,
¿Vos ya no te lo llamé?
perro.
¿Está bueno?
Voy.
¿Qué? Y a mí me llamó y me dijo, y me acordé de vos.
Sí.
Tal vez la maldición civil, dije yo. Te tienes que vas a manejar y vas a...
Tell him no sound, no sound, no sound.
Mira, perro.
I was not able to identify the drone, and the drone battery was dead, and I couldn't make any alarms. So he has to literally search every branches. Huh? Easy, easy. I really felt so terrible today. Like, oh man. This was my first time I miscalculated with the height of trees. Usually, like if it was manually controlled, I would have controlled. It was like controlled by autopilot, and believe it or not, the sensors did not work. It did not detect any object, and suddenly it went and crashed into the top of the tree.
Yeah,
And
he will see
Yeah,
once
he
he
can.
go there. He can see that.
so it was
Yeah.
really surprising for me, and the sensors did not work, and it went and crashed into the tree. I just called one of my friend, and he said like he know a guy who can help with this. He just came and he gave an estimate, and finally he came in the evening. He bought this guy, and this guy climbed the
this side,
tree,
this side.
and you
left
can
side.
see he's still climbing.
I think he saw.
This is really awesome because like we really can't climb even 10 feet high, and this guy climbed almost like 30 meters in no time.
The battery maybe no good, bro.
He got it?
The battery,
Huh?
the battery no good.
Dead.
It's
Battery dead.
It's done, right?
Yeah, I think he got it. Ask. Finally found the drone.
Ajá, ese es. Ajá.
Got it, huh?
Ya.
Can you send it through rope?
No, huevo, no va a quebrar y siempre lo está pagando por bajarlo, ¿no?
Finally found the drone and getting it down.
A veces es caro porque la luz deja estar en
It's a big Herculean task. Finally, they helped me. I should thank them so much.
es de los percones porque ahí anda un video donde. Ahí anda un video donde nace.
Ya estamos tomando la escuela, más. Está en una puntita, Dios.
Va hasta arriba, acá, va. Okay, buddy. You see? You break. You break contact, right?
Thank you so much, bro.
Yeah, finally I got my drone back.
Mira.
Here it is. Finally the drone has been brought home. You can see the gimbal is looking perfectly good, whereas the front propeller, that is completely broken, and you can see the dirt on the drone. The back propeller seems to be damaged. I think I need to replace these ones. So otherwise it looks in a perfect condition. The battery was completely dead, so I have changed the battery. Let me turn it on and see if it works fine. Yeah, it's looking good. So let me connect with the remote and see how it works. Change the propeller finally. So I'm going to try a test drive now. So let us see if everything works fine. And here you go. The flight took off and it is flying perfectly fine.